consuming and making car content from behind a screen is cool, but today we're doing something a little bit different. Decided to step out of my comfort zone.
Ladies and gentlemen.
It's cool too because it's at Badass Coffee. So of course first, just went in and get some coffee. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Why not?
Medium or large?
Large. You started this, right?
Yep.
Tell me about your car, dude.
Man, so my car, man, it's a 64 Chevelle. I got it, because long story short, I had a 73, 74 Nova. It was my dad's. Got stationed at Hickam, sold them both, but like I said, the catch to this is that was his car when he joined the Air Force, right?
Okay.
So it's just like a jab, to the soul, man. I was like, man, I regret it. But so I got that to build with the kids. I'm gonna pass it down, to my middle child. So he's got a 60. What do you have? A Ford Fairlane? Yeah, so he's got a Ford Fairlane.
You already got the car.
So he's already
That's sick, dude.
Aiden, go tell him to park, down there somewhere. But yeah, so I'm gonna pass it down to the kids. Just kind of keep it in the family, man. Keep
I love that.
family tradition going, man.
I love that, Terrell.
Yeah.
Tell me about the car, man.
So it is a 2014, 15, I don't know. It's a BMW 535 Xi M Sport.
Yeah.
Engine's been somewhat modified. We have my company, SLRK Performance. We put in exhaust mod for now. We're waiting on the new turbos to come in to upgrade the turbos to the actual M5 turbos, because right now the M5, the 535M Performance comes with small turbos. They comes with only the 6 pounds, not the 12s. So we're gonna upgrade those. The engine can handle it, so there's not much changes we need to do that. But other than that, she's sitting on airbags, and they're airbag race coilovers. So you can either, when it's dropped to the ground, it's actually the coilovers take over, it's the spring, and then the airbags adjust whenever I lift it up. And then it's got full vinyl wrap on the outside, which is called a green, gray, candy metallic.
Yeah, and that Nardo to teal shift, that's cool.
It's crazy, huh?
It's cool.
like, and when the sun sets, as it's setting, I went to a car show, my buddy's like, was your car always bluish? And I'm like, no. He goes, I thought it was green this morning. I'm like, yeah, well, I don't know. It's a fucking weird color. It shifts color like I wouldn't believe. It's crazy. So that's what the wrap is, and then it's all based around Assassin's Creed Shadows. We put a custom hood, custom front and rear valances, redid the whole interior and wrapping it in blue. It's got the baby blue with the forged carbon fiber wrap on the inside, and that's pretty much it.
That's awesome, dude. What's your favorite part of the car?
It's not my Porsche. Airbags, that's the main part. I had a 911 that I had 2019. I bought it to race. I ripped the crap out of it in 1999. Turned it into a race car. It was a monster on the track, 410 horse, sitting on 2,000 pounds because everything had been gutted.
Yeah.
And then I just returned it into a show car. But the one thing that stayed with it was the racing coilovers, which you can count change on the road. So on this one, I can drive over a pothole and be like, "What I hit? Was that something? I don't know. I'm not sure." Because
Nice.
the air suspension, that's the
Yeah.
difference, and it's a great daily. You know, it became my daily because I have my truck, my Expedition, which is not here. That's wrapped and done up too, but it's a giant monster. It's an
Yeah.
Expedition. And I'm like, I need something, you know, more daily. My wife's like, well, you should get a Land Rover like me. And I'm like, no, I don't want a Land Rover Discovery. So I bought that and I picked that up for $8. And I was like, let's build it. And I built the heck out of it. It's got 70,000 miles. The engine's still strong. Everything's beautiful.
Nice,
on it.
dude.
So the
truly,
guy who had it
truly
before me-
daily driven.
But yeah, it's my pride and joy. I love it now.
That's
I've
cool.
only had it for a month and I'm in love with the car.
Yeah. And what did you say your company was?
So SLRK Performance is my side company that I have. We do vinyl wraps, PPF, window tinting, ceramic coating. We also have a guy that we partner with that does full detailing and paint corrections. And then we also do performance engine bolt-ons and body performance adjustments.
Okay, dude, that's
So
awesome,
body
man.
kits, air suspension, coilovers, all that stuff.
That is so cool.
Denver and back in like 80-degree weather. Yesterday it was like 90-something. We went to Denver, like past Denver, and came back. Never melted the vinyl. So I'm like, I'm gonna vinyl wrap these things. So
That's
this is
insane,
all-
dude.
This is vinyl wrap too. This part right here. That's
Yeah, all
vinyl
the-
wrap,
'cause
and it
the,
never
um,
melted. I was like, dude, that's awesome.
The forged carbon look.
Yep, but I'm not gonna put it on the block, obviously.
Well, that yeah.
But to get the vinyl wrap on some of these plastic pieces, because no matter how hard you paint them, it's still, I clean it with alcohol. I fine sanded it down to mid-hold paint.
Yeah.
It still chips the paint.
Yeah,
The plastic.
for
So
sure.
wrapping it is going to be the best solution.
That's awesome, dude. I gotta take off for today. Gotta take care of some things for the wife. But, dude, if you are in the local area, Colorado Springs, Falcon, come out to Badass Coffee every other Saturday. Car community is showing up. Awesome people, some cool rides. And, hey, there's nothing wrong with imagining a better future for yourself. If you like this content, feel free to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. Don't change